Pang sino lang tudlo mo dahil ito, tudlo lang. Tuon lang.
Go, Power Ranger.
Ito,
Okay na.
Okay na na. Ang ano yun? Kay Rigger, ang last kay Rigger.
This song is by Stone Sour entitled
Libuta. Pakita ang isa-isa.
Vulgar. Yeah. I love rockers. Cause
I'm hip-hop. Because I'm hip-hop.
Yeah.
I hate hip-hop, but emo sucks.
Dulong daw.
Yo, baro
Rock and roll ha? Rock and roll ba?
Paano ba?
Rock and roll man daw ay.
Saan magod nga? Karang sigpin mo mulakaw, mutuwad, mo bante, pinabackward ba?
Pastilan mo rin tawanan ay.
Ikaw, nyake, unsa may maingon nimo nga?
Yung video ang song yung mother founder.
Unsa man ningon na pamuha na mo ning naonggod?
Pastil. Duwa ka round!
Ang malubert.
Ano ba? Ano yung ayaw binayot god?
Eh, pang lalaki, wala ka sumbag nung hindi pang bayot.
O ikaw pa pang Ernst, unsa may maingon nimo? Yeah, marag. Ragalingin mong ikaw pa pang Arnie. Adi po, tap kita gado. Pakita na kay mama ya mo. Evidence. Paano ba?
Paano man?
Ikaw, nay, unsa may maingon nimo?
Hindi mo kuya magamba Cebuano ko, hindi ko kabalo mag Cebuano daw.
Gago ka.
Na, ano, tumuri baka tuwa rikaboto na eh. Andale.
Ojo ko lang dakara mo. Arriba. Ikaw.
Yeah, this song is brought to you by Master Tornacol Olingan. Yeah. Yung video me cause I'm Italian. Ita and Ilocano. Because we're very good in this song because I love you all.
I love you all.
Founders.
Surprise to air missile. The
Yeah,
defender of
this
the
is a
fort.
group air fort. Yeah, this is your microphone. Yeah.
Yo,
We start the
Yama.
song, yung video, Mother Founder.
Yama reggae music.
Mas good din naman na buay.
Nabali ko silpo ko ba? Bali ko silpo ko ba?
Okay. Yeah. Hello, Mike. Wish I was to death to can my self-reflection fade. Stones to Troy and my creator. Massacre to which I cater. You don't need to bother. I don't need to be. I don't know the song. I can't slip in farther. This fucking life. Once I'm done, I won't let go till it bleeds.
Tangit lang. Lukas salay. Ari naman na yung video yung tagiya. Spotlight.
Gago sa first ginano ko lang yung Rigger.
Spotlight niya.
Never had a voice.
Yeah!
Sanay lang tagiya sa kamera wa. Si Jomare.
Shit to digest. Like you don't need to bother. I don't need to be. I keep slipping farther, but once I'm done, I won't let go till it feels. You don't need to bother. I don't need to be. I can't slip farther.
Yeah.
But once I'm done, I won't let go till it bleeds.
Yeah.
Naman talaga yung video mo na po. Okay na?
This is all because we're thank you.
It's only because, you know...
You rock and roll all day long because we're rockers.
No! Yeah! Stop!